I'm really excited to show you my new range of stencils, which has been designed by me and produced by Stencil Girl. So these are designs that have been influenced by the nature surrounding me where I live in South Devon. So I've created these stencils which are based on the really beautiful structural shapes that I was noticing in seed heads in the autumn. So for example, this one here, these gorgeous little kind of pod type shapes came from this beautiful dried seed head. So we've got this one here that's based on these beautiful dried grass heads. And this one that's based on these strange little seed heads that have these kind of tufty little fibres sticking out of them. And then there's these others which I no longer have the dry parts because sadly they were quite fragile and they started to fall to pieces as they got more and more dry. The same with this one. So I'm going to show you a variety of ways that you can use these stencils in your artworks.